Do you want to help your child stay away from drugs and build a stronger relationship? The answer isn't just saying don't do drugs, it's talking and listening with care. Parents and caregivers are the first line of defense. Hi, I'm Aaron, and welcome to Talk Before They Try, brought to you by the Kent County Health Department. This is episode 1 of our 10-part series where we'll give you tools to guide your child through the preteen and teen years. Each episode will cover a new topic, including communication, parental monitoring, role modeling, discipline, decision-making, coping with anxiety, social skills, assertiveness, and we'll talk about common drugs that some teens are using. Today, we're exploring why some young people use drugs and how you can make a difference. Here's a good quote related to what we're talking about today from Robert Brault. A child seldom needs a good talking to as a good listening to. Let's take a moment to think back to when you were 12 or 13. Where did you live? Who did you live with? Who were your friends and what did you do for fun? How did you feel about yourself? Confident? Unsure? Or a bit of both? What was one thing you wish an adult had talked to you about? Those moments shaped who you are today. And right now, you're the one shaping your child's future. Young people are influenced by their relationships and surroundings. And when parents understand this and talk openly, their children are less likely to try drugs. Here are 3 overarching reasons that some young people use drugs. First, personal. Curiosity, anxiety, or boredom can push them to experiment. Second, relationships. Wanting to fit in or seem cool can drive many of their choices. Third, environment. Social media and easy access to drugs can normalize use. Young people today face pressures we may not have had growing up, like social media and 24/7 access to the internet and smartphones. Maybe you're worried your child might try drugs to cope with these pressures or to fit in. The good news? Your voice is the biggest influence, even if they act like they're not listening. You can start building trust today to keep them safe. Here are 3 ways to start conversations about drugs. Number 1, ask open-ended questions. Say, what do you know about people your age using drugs at school? Listen without judging. Number 2, share your values. Be clear, like, in our family, we stay away from drugs because they hurt your health. Number 3, be ready for silence. If they don't open up, say, I'm here when you're ready to talk. Keep the door open to these conversations. Try this at home. Ask your child, what do you think about drugs you see in movies or online? Listen for 3 minutes without interrupting, then share one fact, such as drugs can hurt your brain while it's growing. See where the talk goes. Here's another conversation starter. I've heard some young people try drugs to fit in. What do you think about that? Now we've got a question from a parent about talking to their child about drugs. I feel like my child doesn't care what I think anymore. Are they still listening to me about drugs? Great question. Yes, they are still listening, even if they don't show it. Research shows parents' words reduce drug use. Look for opportunities to have these conversations often, whether it's at mealtime, in the car, or while you're out in the community and see something that could become a teachable moment. These don't have to be long, drawn-out talks. Just a short conversation that shows your child that it's okay to talk about these things and ask you questions. Keep talking, stay consistent, and show you care. Your child will hear you. I hope you're feeling a little more ready to talk with your child about drugs. If you're finding value in Talk Before They Try, join us for the rest of the series. In our next episode, we'll dive into building communication skills to connect you with your child. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about why you think some young people use drugs. What stands out to you? Please do us a favor, answer our short survey to help us improve our future videos. The link is found in the description. Thanks for joining us for Talk Before They Try. And remember, parents are the first line of defense.